What's happening today, guys? Back with another video of Mace's R33. As you guys seen in the last video, we picked it up, but it's got an open diff and that just ain't gonna cut it. So today we're gonna be welding it and then we're gonna be taking it out for a cheeky test drive out to Mexico. So stay tuned for that.
Look at the pig.
Fuck, I'll get here and these cunts haven't even fucking done it yet.
What?
Haven't even gotten it out. The fuck he's been up to?
Stinking piss.
And look at this cunt.
Hey, I'm fucking disabled, I don't need to work.
20-year-old seized up bolts. Nothing with a CRC won't fix. Oh, it's starting to get dark out. We got the lights sussed. Pretty much got the drive shaft undone. First axle done, now it's just the second one. Alright, so we got one axle stub out, and now we've got the real cunty one to do, because it's right by the exhaust here. This one, because there's no exhaust, it's easy just to pull out and get out, but this one's going to be a little bit more difficult. Hey mate. Well, it was a bit weird. I was able to undo this one a fuckload easier than I was able to undo that one, so both axles out. Crank it, mate, crank it!
So we've been having an issue with the socket.
Because the bolt is so far in, we need a deep socket. But the deep socket puts the ratchet, fuck. Puts the ratchet too far out, so as you can see I've already been hitting it a little bit. Basically got to hammer it so when the ratchet's on and it's actually able to get in. Hit it quite a few times, need to hit it a few more, but you know, safety first, boys and girls. Oh, look at that, she's cracked.
It's just about there, mate. There we go.
James with his 2 casts is getting his hands dirty.
Yeah, mate. Gotta take part.
And that means no fucking excuses for you cunts at home. Get out there and do it.
Come on, Brad.
Yeah, Brad. Yeah, nah. That's your problem. Fucking open diff.
They're not too bad so far.
Those gears right there are what we've got to weld together. So we're just degreasing the cunt, getting all the oil and shit out so we can weld it.
Is there no gasket? It's just poo.
Yep. No gaskets, mate. She's an RV. She's all good. Time to cook the cunt.
Burn that fucking oil out. Yeah, I wonder about the 10 degrees if it's next to it. With. Yeah, got it. Woo! I saw that shoot back towards the degrees and I was like, fuck! The boat is being served.
How to cook your diff 101. Backyard barbecue. Well, actually, no, this is a camping barbecue. Couple bits of metal.
No!
Is it cracked?
Nah, she's right.
Should we get this
Is it
going?
better than the last one? Yeah.
Measuring up the plate.
Precise.
It's a bit wide. Preheated it up. It's not. It's looking blue now. Nice and sexy. That's what we want. Yo.
Oh, my thumb's breaking. Bend the bars.
As soon as you can see, fucking plates in, welded all around it, welded the gears. welded the gears to the plate. Bird shit welds, but it does the trick. And then you can see, done the same thing on the other side.
Do you want me to spin it?
Reusing the oil because of RFB. Reusing the gasket because also RF fucking B. Alright, so we got the front mounts in, got the diff in the back. Pretty much all we got to do now is just chuck the axles on, chuck the drive shaft in, and then it'll be sweet. We're finally done. Bitches on the ground.
So this is 2 days after the fact of what you guys just watched. I'm fucking useless at doing outros, I tell you. Always forgetting. Sitting here in the Ceph, you guys would have seen this in the previous video. But yeah, so that's it. It's Mesa Skyline. We did a pretty good job at welding the diff. It was both mine and Mesa's first time welding a diff together. I'd seen it done before, so is he, and there's heaps of videos of it out there. It's pretty easy. As you see, we just cut up some plate, chucked in the diff and welded it up. And yeah, went pretty good. Me and Mace had been drinking all night, so we weren't driving. Thanks to our good mate Bill for jumping in the driver's seat and taking it out for a test for us. But yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. Cheers for watching. Usual shit, like, subscribe and comment. Channel's doing real well. Super happy for you guys, and still enjoying it, still loving doing it. So now there's, like I said, it's definitely plenty more to come. So yeah, stay tuned and catch you later.